Hello everybody and welcome to the Game Pound presents White Noise Online. Part 3. I don't know why we're doing this, but here we are. We're doing it again. You better like it. Get over it. Oh, let's go.
Why? Why do they got to do this? Why are you letting us? God damn it.
It's snowing. Oh, look at the beautiful areas. Alright,
We are not doing this for Christmas. Dad, we got to do something else. We are not.
No, for Christmas we're going to play Happy Game where you hug penguins and give them little bow ties so they can match their suits, and we're going to have so much fun! You know, after this, I'm just going to shine a flashlight on my face so I know I'm never in the dark. I'm going to have nightmares. Ooh, look, water. How was that not clear? But look up, that's some beautiful northern lights, though. It almost makes me forget about that I'm being hunted by a horrible monster. Okay, where are you? Are you following me? Okay.
We are going to stay at the time. Mark is not going to die, and I will not piss myself as much as I do.
Let me just clarify that. We will not die on purpose. We died on accident, I mean. Oh, that totally looks like there's got to be something there. Look at that thing. If there ain't a tape in there, spank me and call me monkey, I guess. Oh, yep. Jesus Christ, you got to start spanking me.
Sideways. I feel like we're sideways. That ain't normal.
We are sideways. Everything is tilted.
I lost you.
Come back to the...
There you go. Okay, you can stop doing that now. Let's do this. God damn it. Why? Oh, because of Halloween, and you guys want us to be scared. You guys...
Mission fucking achieved, alright?
Fuck you guys. Well, I take that back, but you know what? Yeah.
We're not having too much fun doing this. This is the same place you were just before, it's just snowing now. Good job making a whole new level, game creator. Really love that. Some actual game commentary from us, since we are a gaming channel. Graphics suck. This game, it sucks. Everything about it sucks. I don't like it. I'm going to delete it right after I get... No, I'm not. It's actually, it's a pretty good game for, you know, not being able to actually have Slenderman on the Xbox. But that still doesn't make me not have to be happy about getting scared. This doesn't look menacing at all. Let's go across this. It looks like mountains of penguins.
We need to find me 8 pages. I mean,
8 tapes. A cough.
Hey.
Okay, there has to be one here.
Yeah.
Oh, wait, what's that? I hear something.
But maybe the tapes are in the same place we found them.
No, I found one.
Oh God, wait.
Where'd you go?
Here we go with the fun.
That's a nice rock. I like that rock. That is a nice rock. You guys see that rock one more time? Look at that rock. That's a nice rock.
And now I had a pet one.
And then it ran away.
Yeah.
Oh! God Guys, I want that to be a record. 1 tape recorder. We got one, and this guy's already trying to eat our face off. And I'm about to die. I'm about to die. Oh my god, I'm literally about to die. Look at a rock. It's cool, 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 cool. Just breathe, just breathe. No, I'm scared. Crap out of me, please. I can see your head pop out, by the way.
Better than your head.
Oh, really? We're already back to the river? Ah.
Wait, I am a tape.
Where? Oh, well, the guy's right behind me, so I can't really go anywhere. He's following me. If I stop moving, I'm dead. Oh, okay.
You hear that too?
Yeah, but it's not growing any louder. Son of a bitch, that guy. Every time I see him, pulse just goes through me. It's like freaking, I don't even know. Oh my god. I gotta run. In case you're wondering, whenever we run, we're not the ones pointing our flashlights at the ground. It doesn't naturally. He is still following me. I'm going to die, folks. I'm probably going to die. We're going to die with 1 tape recorder. We're the best players at White Noise ever. Ever!
I want you to know right now that the colors, how do I put it in a normal way, psychedelic. It looks all weird and stuff. It looks psychedelic, dude.
I guess it's a good thing we don't have a lot of fans, or else someone would totally remix that. We may be talking to like 1 person out there. You know, I'm actually recording these. I mean, if people watch them, good. I mean, but I think the only people that are actually going to watch them are me. But I can always watch them later. Make content that you'll watch. That's the best idea. Oh my god, that freaking asshole! I don't even know where to go. Yeah, he keeps, well, he's farther now, but he's still following me, and every time I look behind me, it's that.
I hate that. Why do they do that?
Because music's the scariest thing. If you played this game on mute, you wouldn't be as scared.
Yeah, it's everywhere. You like that.
If we do too much of this game, we will build up an immunity. It's happened with me before, and you just gotta wait for a while and then play it again. So this is gonna be our last one of the night, that's for sure. Because I haven't built up the immunity yet, no, but I don't want to. I like getting scared.
Yeah.
I'm running this way because I'm trapped. Oh my god. Oh, damn it! Fucking A! Ah! You know what? I don't even like you. So, you and your whole shit-faced family can just go suck an egg, monster faggot.
I'm just saying right now, we might do it again. It might not be on Halloween, but we will do it again. And I'm keeping that word to you viewers. I promise we will do it again.
Leave a like or comment below if you want us to do it sooner. Please don't. Anyway.
If you do, I don't know what I'll do.
You know what we'll do, Cody? We'll calmly go back to White Noise and play it. Alright, thank you all so much for watching. If you like our videos, check out some more of them. If you didn't, I'm sorry. I mean, we tried our best. Hey, Cody?
Yeah?
Anything you want to say?
You know what? No. I hear bad at these people, so you know what? Make you piss off. I'm so sorry. I didn't mean that. Please come back to us.
We love you!
Yeah.
Alright, White Noise Online. There you go. That's how we're going to go out with the title. Once again, thank you all so much for watching. If you enjoyed, please continue watching. Have a happy Halloween, and goodbye.